Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, if you have mistakenly changed your Google Chrome language or your Google Chrome language is changed due to any reason, so here's how to fix it. First of all, we will go on our tab, Google Chrome tab, and click on three dots and search for settings. When we will open these settings, as you know, the other language will be coming here, so you cannot understand what settings you want to go. So you will determine by the logos. You have to go to the globe logo. We'll open it. Here your languages portion will open, and now from here you have to add language, that English, and from here we will select English language and add. The English language will appear here and the other language will be here, so we will click on these three dots and remove that other language and select English language, and then we will close our tab and reopen it. And hooray, you have changed your Google language. I hope you guys like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.